how to split or trim a video on TikTok Editing Studio. If you guys didn't know, you can edit a short video on TikTok itself without using any third-party apps. First, you gotta select your video. From here, you can tap on your gallery or record a video right here. I'm just gonna choose this one. And after you select your video, you can tap on next. And as you can see here, you can see the little editing option at the right here. If you tap on your drop down, you can see this edit button right here, and this will take you to the editing page on TikTok Studio. So if you want to split the video, just select your video, and here at the very first you can see an option to split. You can move your video where the white line is, and let's say if I want to split at 10 seconds right here, you can see the timeline right here. And if I tap on split, now the video is split into two videos. The first one is 5 seconds and the remaining video is 14 seconds. So if I do this, what I want to do is to move the video, I'm just gonna select the video right here. And if I want to shorten the time, let's say if I want to make it 10 seconds, from 10 seconds to 5 seconds, I can just drag it right up to 5 seconds right here. And you can do the same for another video right here. Now you can split on multiple places as well if you want to do that too. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.